everybody, Josh, Turtle Ring Gear Business. Welcome back to the channel. We took a little break kind of at the end of winter there. I get a little burnt out at the end of the year, and anyways, we're getting back into the normal swing of things. So we'll be bringing you guys some new content all summer, and wanted to ask you guys for some advice on some new videos. I feel like we've covered a lot of the basic type stuff. So if there's anything more that you guys want to see about basics, make sure and let us know in the comments. I have a lot of custom work lined up here for the next few months for myself that we can do videos on. So I'd like to kind of bring you guys in on that more custom work. Copper, cold rolled steel, core tin, bonderized. So anyways, that's kind of what is in my head about what we're going to be hitting here early in the summer. But if you guys have any ideas on more basic stuff or anything else out there about rain gutters that you guys want to know, let me know. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to have a good summer.